Good evening, folks. We are live at 8:26 p.m. and we're running a mini for Jason's nice-looking R2-D2 figure. It looks like I got 10 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random. It looks like the top 3 win spots in the main. I'm going to paste them in there, 1 through 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 10, so we're good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Jason, Rob, and Rob, round 1. Rob, Jason, and Ryan, round 2. Rob, and Jason, round 3. Jason, Rob, and Ryan, round 4. Ryan, Rob, and Jason. Jason, and Rob. Jason, Rob, and Jason. Rob, Ryan, and Jason. Rob, Jason, and Rob, and our winners are Jason, Rob, and Ryan. Congratulations, fellas. Here's our official results. MLGWCT. Jason, Rob, and Ryan, and I am done at 8:27. Excuse me, 8:27 is correct. There it is. Again, here's the official results and the winners. Congratulations, fellas. We'll see you next time. Thanks.